Welcome guys. What you are seeing on the screen now is a payment I received from a website which I'm going to be reviewing to you guys today. So stay with me to the end of this video if you want to make such amount before this December ending. But before I do that, kindly hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop a new video, because on this channel I post video about making money online. And please kindly give this video a thumbs up, I really appreciate that, and drop comment below, comment your country so I'll keep posting any platform that is available in your country. Thank you. So this is the platform I use. It's called Cpagrip. It's a CPA marketing website, one of the best, but the best is actually Max Bounty. But here on this video I'm talking about Cpagrip. You can go over to cpagrip.com and register a publisher account, which is very easy to create. Then when you create, you log in, then go over to offers, tools, then tap on my offers, then select country USA, and these are a list of some offers. But here on your offers, I'm looking for offers that are email and zip submit, which means that all this kind of offer, when you promote, anytime someone click on it and enter their email, you earn some specific amount. And you can see here, you can go for, say, get $1,000 sent to your cash app, and it's an email and zip submit offer, and you get paid $2.33, which is a good offer. Or you can also promote this Amazon to get $500 to spend at Amazon. Most people are looking for money for this Christmas to buy stuff, so I will actually go for Amazon, because most people usually shop on Amazon. Not everybody have cash app. So I'll tap on this. No, sorry. I need an offer that is desktop, not mobile all. I need the offer that is desktop. Oh yeah, desktop. So I'll tap on it and I'll generate my affiliate link. I've copied the link. So let me see how the landing page will look like. Let me see if I can. Let me see. So once someone tap on the link, this is the page to bring them to something like this. So now we come over to this website, bio.fm. This is where we just like build a brief page, because you can't link your Cpagrip link to any website or any social media if you are promoting, and we actually need to promote the link. So when you come here, you register. So this is my account here. I'm already adding my link. It's very simple. You see edit blog. Then I've pasted my link here. When I pasted my link, put like get free $500 Amazon card. Okay, can write get $500 Amazon card now. Do something like that, then click OK and tap on add block. So simple. And tap on publish. Now I've created it. Then you just have to copy or bio, and let me see how it looks like. Let me see. It's like this. Let me see how it looks like. So when someone click on it, is what it will show. So it's loading. This is how to look like. So you'll see it's yes free $500 Amazon card. So when you tap on it, to get directed to your affiliate link. It's very simple. If you can encounter any issue while doing this, you can comment below, or if you want to message me directly, check the description of this video. You see my Instagram link there. You can message me, I reply immediately. So now I'll go over to the website which I use in promoting this offer that made me that amount I showed you in the beginning of the screen. So if you want to make the amount, kindly hit the like button so I will know you are getting something. So let's go over to the website now. So the website I used was twitter.com. Currently I'm not signed in because I actually use my phone in doing all this, but for the video section I usually use my PC. So go to twitter.com, in the search button that search giveaway, like giveaway free. This December people like giveaway a lot. Okay, so you search on giveaway, you scroll down, you look for some posts from people that posted that they need giveaway. Okay, sorry for that. So we'll scroll down. It's okay. Okay, we just scroll down and see. This is an example now. This guy posted sorry. Oh, I can see my guy wrote, I have just collected an extra chance to win $500 from. Should drop the link. So all this kind of posts, you can comment below. Okay, there's no comment here. You look for some that have comments under them. Like now, this one is saying give away $10 Ethereum. Come over to the comment here, and you can just comment. I'm not logged in. Just comment like, guys, came over this giveaway online and I was able to get free $500 Amazon card. So try this link to get yours. Just do something like that, and you are likely to get leads. You try it for many other tweets. Another way you can do it is by creating posts on your tweet, like on your Twitter account, and using the hashtag. Like, let me show you, hashtag giveaway. You can use that hashtag. See, hashtag giveaway. Hashtag, I can see 170 tweets in the last hour. That means this tweet is actually trending now. Giveaways. You can, anyone you want. You can just add the two hashtags to your post, and just like the post content be like, hello guys, try this website out. You drop the link. I actually got a free Amazon $500 card for shopping for this December. So people actually believe you and will actually click on it and are going to make money from them. So that will be all for this video, because this is the actual method I followed, in which I used to enter amount I showed in the beginning of the screen. As I've said before, if you encounter any issue, comment down below or message me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description of the video. So this is the end. I want you guys to hit the like button if you haven't, and comment, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will get notified anytime I have a new video, because I usually post video about making money online on this channel. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you.